Hi, and welcome to Power Tools. In this video, I'll walk you through installing the filter menu into your theme. There are a few ways to do this. One of the quickest is enabling the theme app extension, which I've covered in a separate video, so be sure to check that out. Here, I'll be showing you two options, automatic installation and manual installation. So let's get into it. All of your installed themes will be listed on this page. I'm currently using the Taste theme, so I'll click Select Theme to get started. This brings us to the Installer Selector page, where you can choose the right installer for your theme. You'll notice it's already recommended the Taste installer for me. That said, some themes won't have a recommended installer. In that case, I'd suggest using the generic theme installer, which you can find using the search bar. I'll go ahead and click the Taste installer. From here, you can choose to either publish the theme automatically after installation or keep it unpublished. I'd recommend keeping it unpublished so you have a chance to review everything before it goes live. If you'd prefer to go the manual route, there's a drop-down below to show step-by-step manual installation instructions for your selected theme. Click the Run Installer to begin the automatic installation. Once the installer completes, you may come across errors, just like we did here. If that happens, you can reach out to our tech support team directly. You can also cross-reference the manual installation steps to get a better sense of what the installer was trying to do. These errors can vary. Some are pretty minor, while others might mean the installer had trouble finding the right place to add its code. Either way, our support team is there to help. I'll go ahead and check on the updated theme. When you return to your online store page, you'll notice the installer has created a duplicate of your theme with Power Tools added to the title. From there, preview the theme and navigate to a collection page to confirm the filter menu is showing up correctly. Looks like the installation was successful. The filter menu is showing up on my collections page and working as expected. In a follow-up video, I'll walk you through the filter menu settings in your theme editor, so be sure to check that out. And that concludes the filter menu installation video. Thanks for watching.